Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my earning proof of Canva.com. So you can sell your images, graphics elements and various type of things in your Canva. If you want to sell your photo and graphic element in Canva, then you can sign up in Canva from my link in the description. Okay, so now you can see here there are various type of things. So I'm going to show you my earning proof. So without any delay, let's start our video. Okay, so first of all, I'm just clicking in the canva.com, and after that, so there is an option that is earning tab here. So I'm just clicking here, and so now you can see it is telling me that my total earning is 0. But if I click here and if I click in all time, so now you can see it is showing me my earning that is 0.08 cent only. And you can easily earn money in Canva. So if you want to also earn money from Canva, you can sign off for your Canva from my link, which is given in the video description. Thank you so much.